Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys had a great trading day today. We're going to go over the trade setups that I posted in the locals group. So let's get to the charts. All right, so today I posted about EJ, GJ, and US 30. So the yen was trending long. So when I looked at both of those trades, guys, EJ was a day two trend trade. So it was basically looking to go long, and GJ was looking like a continuation. All right. So did it work? All right. That's the question. Um, and then US 30. I was looking at US 30 for a possible reversal because there was three, it hit the high three times. Okay. All right. So I'm looking at US 30 right now. Let me just show you right here in the dashboard. We're looking at US 30. It has already changed hands. We're now showing 4 days. Still one break, guys. I mean, it's still technically a bull market for right now until price says otherwise. But this morning, when I was looking at this particular chart, it was evident that price was getting a resistance at the high, at the open range from Monday, right? So we had our peak on Friday. So I think we may reset short eventually because this peak still hasn't been taken out yet. But we're still breaking highs, but we got equal highs today. But we'll just see what the market got in store for us. We don't know yet, right? But when I saw that we got held there, guys, I just knew that this was a third opportunity here, and you know, three is a thing. So third time's a charm. We're able to go short on this market at the open. If you were available towards the end of the day or the session, there was an opportunity to go back long in this particular market. Both great opportunities on US 30. All right, now let's look at EJ. EJ is now technically a 3 day setup because it's now a new day. But for today, I was looking at it and it was a day two trend trade, right? We had a beautiful, those early birds, guys, man, you Asia and London people, I swear. Right? Once this thing broke structure right here and it just continued to break the highest, guys, it was on. Okay. I can't, for whatever reason, seem to get this thing to be steady. So typically, when I see something like that, I mean, I don't. I mean, they're like, where do I get in? There's a little pullback right here, right to the open range. But let's see if I can move this. Let's see if I can break down this a little bit. There we go. 15 minutes, right? So any one of these areas, right? We got a high there. You can measure the low. Trying to see how far it goes. It didn't quite get that far, right? Or you can measure for that low, kind of tighten it up a little bit, so you can see where to get in and where you can expect the price to go. Right, so that was a great opportunity for a retracement and re-entry. Okay, here's another area. Do the same thing. All right, so your area to entry was also right here, 6.1%. And then you can see here, guys, we have the previous day high. Oh, sorry. Previous week high is here. So this was an opportunity, or you could have just held it until you wanted to let it go. But from that area, guys, to the previous week high, that's 40 pips. That's a good trade. It's a dang good trade. Okay, so let's look at GJ, which was also continuation. Same thing, guys. When you're looking to get in, you're looking for the most recent high, and then you just kind of want to target the most recent low, right? This particular low, or the open price, let's see, where would that have gotten you? Nowhere, depending on when you got into the market. But the open range would have worked. So I like to play with these different levels: open range or open price, right? Or the most recent low. or the, for the day, to kind of guide me in here, guide me back in here. So this was another great retracement trade to enter in right there. And of course, take your exit at right here. Let me just bring my little cursor. If you were able to take in this retracement, I would have done again the same thing like EJ. We had the previous week high available to us as a place where we can take our first position. So if you had a second position on, you probably would have held on to that a little bit longer to just kind of see. But as you can see towards the end of the session, it just kind of, the volume started to taper off. So not sure how long you're in the market, but this retracement from this high to this low right here of the open range high, this was a perfect entry for you all. Now I took US 30 and I took oil. So those were the trades, and I took gold. Those were the trades for me for the day. Okay. All right, guys, we will see you tomorrow. Again, oh yeah, we did talk about everything. I'm forgetting, guys. Yeah, we did talk about all the trades that I posted. So we'll see you again tomorrow, and have a good evening. Ciao for now.